Okay, here we are in KG's garage. I just put this wood burner in. I just put this little Sears and Roebuck wood burner in. Weather's starting to get cool. I figure it'd be nice to have a little wood burner in here for this winter. So, just installed this. I gotta actually put a couple more braces on it. And I want to put a shield back there on the wall. Which I do have a shield over here on the other wall. It'll kind of radiate the heat out forward and also protect the wall back there. But for now, I just had to get this thing fired up. I was anxious and cut up a 2x4. It was an old rotten one I had out there. And put it in here, and it's working just fine. Working just fine. I intend to cook some stuff on this little tiny stovetop this winter. Can't cook much, but I can put something together. So there you have it. Just a short video of my little Sears and Roebuck wood burner that I just put in here. A couple things to do yet to button it up, but it's working. Until next time, thanks for watching.